Welcome this video. Simple home gardening design idea to elevate your space. Create a home gardening do not have to be gum expansive project. A well planned and simple gardening can transforming any space into a rich retreat of size or budget. Here are beautiful and low maintenance idea to design in home gardening that serve your style and need. Access your space. Start by amazing the space you have, whether it's a square backyard, a tiny balcony, or even a window screen. You can create a stream gardening with the right plan. Consider sunlight and shade. Some plant throw in full sun while other perfect shade. Check the salt. Add salt in the fountain of a successful gardening. Test your salt and numbering level. Inspire it with postpone in need. Talk to need how much space you can depot. Plant your gardening layout. Design a layout your gardening look neat and functional. Layout. Arrange plants in tanning. Neutral plant it's that back medium-sized plants in your medium and short one at the front. This maximize available and aesthetic appear. Part and board. Create a clean way. Parts use growing A stop stone defined gardening board with stone, smart fence or harding. Design. Use a simple draw or online gardening design tool to keep out plants. Placement. Consider gardening. Gardening and versatile and add for beginning or retreat. Choose the right pot. Select that complement your gardening theme or recycle contain work beautiful. Plants. Growing plants in move pots to arrangement theme easy. This is explored useful for seasoning blend or when host outdoor even. Create a focal point. A focal point draw attendance and enhance your gardening aesthetic. Gardening furniture. Add a branch, a smart sit area as the central price. Water functional. Install a smart simple fountain pour thing or bring tranquil. Aesthetic touch. Use gardening or careful pots and ice catch element. Incorporating low maintenance gardening. For a gardening that throwing with minimalist effect.